All right, y'all. One example on this beautiful full day of school. Isn't it odd that you guys are going to be so hungry at the end of this hour for no apparent reason other than Pavlov's dog situation? Hungry for knowledge. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these graphs. We're going to combine everything. We're going to look at the 5 key points where it's concave up, down, the intervals increasing, decreasing, and the points of inflection. If this doesn't sound like it's fun, then you might be right. All right, so one period of this functions from here to here, right? So what are my 5 key points? I start with an intercept, a max, right? Intercept, max, intercept. Min, and then I end with a intercept, right? Yeah. What is my period on this one? 2 pi over 3, right? That's a weird one. Any questions on that, or does that look kind of familiar? All right, good. Now, where am I concave up and concave down? What I want to do is relate the 5 key points to increase and decrease in concavity. Right here, is that concave up or down? Down. What happens at this point? What does it do? Changes. What happens at my next intercept? Changes. So for my 5 key points, the intercept is my inflection point, right? The intercept's going to be my inflection point. So where am I concave up? From 0. Do I want points or do I want an interval? So I'm concave up from pi over 3. Wait, that's not right. I'm concave up from, I'm concave up. Yeah, that's right. Mr. Twilliger, you goofy, guess it? Because this is up, right? I meant to write down, because we're down first, then we're up. From pi over 3 to 2 pi over 3. Now this question is asking for just the first period, okay? If I add a plus 2/3 n, where n is an integer, it would be true for all the intervals where it's concave up. And then where am I concave down? 0 to pi over 3. Yeah. Do you remember with concavity we always use parentheses? Parentheses. Increasing, decreasing, we use brackets. You'll learn more about that if you take calculus, why that is true. All right, C. So where am I going up? Where am I going down? So I'm going up here. I go down. I go up, right? All right. So where am I increasing? Remember, I'm just looking at one period of it. So from 0 to pi over 6. And there's somewhere else too I am, right? Yeah, pi over 2 to 2 pi over 3. I wrote a capital pi. That means summation with multiplication. Because they just want over one period. It would. You know what I mean? It does. It's just they just want over this one section of it. Where's it increasing, decreasing? Because technically, could I have just done done from here to here and then plus period times n, and that will give you for all cases. So where am I decreasing? Yep, that's just one spot, right? Pi over 6, pi over 2. I do feel bad. If you watch the video, if my mic's pointing towards the board, you hear every squeak of my marker on it. Oh, well. You should be here, people. Actually, don't. No strangers in school. All right, POI. So what's my point of inflection? I have two of them, right? I have, man, this is getting messy. Right here and right here. They're my intercepts, right? So did they ask where or name? There, you could say, I could say x, when x equals pi over 3 and when x equals 2 pi over 3. Could I have labeled each point and call it a point inflection? Yeah. Could I say when x is this is a point inflection? Yeah, it means the same thing. All right. Hi. Oh, why did I stop it? Because we're doing it over one period. They just want to know on that one section of it, where's it increasing, decreasing? Yeah, because you're right. It's just, they weren't asking for it. Good question, good question. Ooh. All right. Yes. Yep. Watch this. Hiya. Haha. That was easy. Let's do this beast. What are my key points going to be? 0, 3. So is this cosine or sine?
Oh, well, how do you know it's not sine plus pi over 2?
Oh, the period's not.
Oh, it was sine plus 2 pi.
All right, I digress. Sorry about that, guys. I just lost 3 subscribers. Never get monetized. My kids will never respect me. Too many commas there. Good. What we're actually doing is we're connecting what we've been doing with what we did in Unit 1. You remember in Unit 1 we had to find all this stuff? So we're combining it. So this should feel like a review. There's nothing new in this example, okay? So that's good. That means we've learned something this year. All right. What am I in those two parts of my one period? Am I concave down or up? Down. And this would be concave up. So from pi to 3 pi, right? I meant to put parentheses. Eep. All right, where am I concave down? Yeah, 0 to pi. And 3 pi to 4. What's my period on this one? 4 pi. Ooh, what's my frequency of it? 1 over 4 pi. All right. Where am I increasing? Let's do it like my stocks. I'm increasing over here, right? You love it when you open Robinhood and you see green? Yeah, I do. I don't know, like Unity game or something. It's gone now. So down, up, right? Look at this. This is going to be a beautiful one. So where am I increasing? From 2 pi to 4 pi. Where am I decreasing? Well, the other one, right? 0 to 2 pi. All right. Any questions on that? Ooh, this is a cool color. Let's see. All right. Who is my person of interest? So have you noticed what are my POIs every time? They're my intercepts. That's even better. They're on the midline, right? Because that's where my intercepts are going to be. I like that. So it happens when x equals pi and when x equals 3 pi. Yeah, I was actually just going to say, I think I'm done with this. If you guys want to try C, I'll just throw the answers up there and you can check it. But I think we've seen some good examples. Yeah, go for it. How come one of them isn't the third zero? Like, are you talking about why didn't I use this one? Wait, this one. Oh, you're looking at 100% you could. Yeah, you could have had that zero on there and you would not be wrong. Because technically it will be changing. So yes, that's a great one. Because on that C, there are 3. You can list a 0 as well. Yeah, go ahead and try C. I'll throw the answers up there and then you can see how you did. Good video today. What a half day.